right, get into this wig. So this is a wig I bought from Amazon. It's by the company Alexa, and it's an autumn brown wig, and it's 13 by 4 straight. The packaging was super basic, super regular. I wasn't really expecting anything out of the ordinary, but it came with lashes, it came with a wig cap, and it also came with just like, you know, the typical combs located inside the wig, as well as a stretch band. This wig is 22 inches to be exact, and I would say it's pretty much true to length. It's not HD lace, it's just regular standard lace. It didn't spend a lot of money on it, so I knew it wasn't going to be like some spectacular type of lace, but it's really nice. It does the trick. So just off bat, it's really soft, it's really smooth, it's really silky. I'm running my fingers through it. It's not shedding at the moment. This is the band I was telling you guys about. I chose not to use it because I feel like the wig was small enough as it is, and I didn't want to suffocate myself. So you know what? Without further ado, let's install this beauty. So like, I installed this off camera, y'all. I didn't have time to show y'all the process because I was going out. Time was of the essence, but this is how she looks. I actually flat iron all my units before I install them, or like just basically what I'm saying is I styled them before I installed them, because it just makes it a whole lot easier. You could see all around your head 360. So I decided to do a side part because when I do a middle part, I think my head looks a little weird. So for now, I'm just going to stick to the rivers and the lakes that I'm used to, which is a side part bust down, okay? And that's my prerogative. That's my business. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Y'all see me going in with the tweezers. Y'all already know what's going on. I am trying to customize my part, you know, make it look funky fresh, make it look nice and neat. I really just want to go in and define it and really give it that to give it that scalp look. So that's what I'm doing with the tweezers. I'm plucking out any stray hairs, and then soon I'm gonna follow up with some concealer to really define and bring out that part. Next, I'm going in with some concealer. Like I said, I'm really defining the part. I really want this to look as natural to scalp as I possibly can. And not to toot my own horn, but if you know me, you know baby hairs is not my specialty, but you see I'm eating that up. You know what I mean? I'm eating it up. It looks good. It's looking, you know, better than I usually got them. I was having a really good baby hair day that day in particular. And that was good because I was going outside to see the boys in them. So I've had to make sure I look right and I look tight. So, ow. As you can see, she gave me no problems. She looks mad pretty. She looks mad cute. Her body tea. She getting money. She looked mad good. I gave her a little bit of a layer, nothing too extreme. This is perfect to my liking for the style, the desired style that I wanted. So I'm good with this. And I am just about finished. I'm ready to go see the boys in them. I'm ready to go outside and have a time just juking. So I'm going to catch y'all later. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.